Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you're signed into iCloud with the Apple ID you'll use for messages. Enable messages in iCloud so conversations sync across devices. This keeps history consistent. Next, open Messages settings and turn on Send and Receive, then verify the phone numbers and email addresses listed so recipients show correctly. Once done, test sending a short message to yourself to confirm delivery and syncing before composing messages to others. Now compose the message. Open the Messages app on your device or use iCloud. If Messages in iCloud supports web access for your account. Choose a recipient from contacts or type a number or email. The app will indicate iMessage in blue or fall back to SMS in green. Add attachments like photos or files or dictate text if hands-free. Make sure your device has network access. If not, the message queues and sends once you reconnect. Hit send and watch for the delivery or read indicators so you know the message reached its destination. Blue bubbles and read receipts show iMessage success. If a message fails, first confirm your internet and iCloud status and that the recipient can receive iMessages. Switching to SMS may be necessary. If syncing issues persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in or restart the device to refresh settings. As one troubleshooting tip, toggle
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.